How to fix iPhone Hotspot Grayed Out. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the cellular option you see there. And further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for cellular data, as Hotspot will not be active if you do not have mobile data on. So once you have enabled cellular data, see if Hotspot is enabled and if it is grayed out or not. And if it is grayed out, then simply tap on the Hotspot option in settings and then tap on the toggle button for allow others to join. And if it is still grayed out, then go back to settings and tap on cellular and then tap on cellular data options. Here you can check your carrier settings, as some carriers disable hotspot on certain plans. You can contact your carrier to confirm if hotspot is included or not. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset network settings. This will remove Wi-Fi passwords and this will reset APN and carrier settings, and this often fixes your grayed out hotspot issues. And if your issue is not fixed yet, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Next fix is open settings again and then tap on general and then on software update, and further install any available updates. Also, bugs can cause hotspot issues, so make sure that you update your iPhone regularly. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open settings again and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then tap on sign out and then sign in again, as this is a rare fix and helps you fix system glitches. And if it's still not working, you can try another SIM card, or you can also visit Apple Service Center, or you can contact your carrier service provider. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone Hotspot Grayed Out. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.